Okay, so I keep trying to find the places with the best sunlight, like at the time that I'm recording. And right now, I think this is it. But anyways, enough about the production value. I'm going on vacation tomorrow, so I have a lot of things to do today, right? I've been working for like the past 5 days, and I haven't really had time to do all the prep. So today, the day before vacation, is when I have to do a bunch of things. Luckily, it's not a whole lot. I have to do my nails, I have to pack, I have to shave, I have to cook. I want to finish editing my video, and on top of all of that, I want to go to bingo tonight. So ideally, I want to be done with all of these things by like 5 o'clock, right? Right now it's about 8:30. First thing I'm gonna do is my nails because they're gonna take the longest. The other day I like banged it and it bent and it hurts so bad. If you get your nails done, do your own nails, anything like that, don't wait forever, because these have been on for I think almost 6 weeks now, and I wasn't too concerned because I'm like, oh, it's not lifting, it's fine, da da da. If your nails stay on for too long, like they just get too weak, okay? The stress point like moves and they're just way too weak. So God forbid you like jam it on anything. It's the worst pain ever. And it still actually hurts. It does. I'm pretty sure I kind of cracked my actual nail bed. But anyways, I'm gonna get my nails done and then proceed with the rest of things. So today is just like rapid fire, get things done and hopefully be done with it at a reasonable time, enough for me to go to bingo and then get a decent amount of sleep before we leave for our flight at like 3 a.m. So let's go. Okay, so quick recap. What have I done all day? I was able to get my nails done, the cooking done, the packing done. Yeah, those 3 things. So what didn't I get done? Everything else. And you might be thinking, Icy, why are you cooking when you're about to go on vacation? Well, a lot of the things that are in the soup were gonna go bad by the time I came back, and they don't really freeze that well. So I was like, let me just cook it now and then put the finished soup in the freezer. Like that'll be a little bit better. And I'm glad I did. And also when I get back home, I won't have to cook. I think what I have in the fridge now is like chicken, some fish, pretty much enough to have meals when I come back. I don't have to immediately cook. So that's taken care of. It is currently like almost 10:15. We have to be out of the house by like 3 a.m. So I think I'm gonna eat now, go to sleep, and then wake up maybe around 2 to like shower and then put in like the rest of those toiletries in my packing and just be ready to go. So I was thinking about just showering now and then having like maybe 30 extra minutes of sleep. But I'm hungry, and after I finish eating, I'm probably gonna knock out. So I'm gonna eat and then go to sleep and then wake up around 2:15-ish, quickly shower, put the rest of the things together, and then go. Also, I'm pretty sure I were packed, but it all fit in the carry-on, so not a problem. It's like $1,500, so at least fine. These are fresh. I don't think these are fresh. Definitely not fresh. The nuggets here taste a bit different.
In a good way?
No.
Can decide yes? No.
It's not bad, but I like the home ones better. I forgot my tripod, so we're just gonna have to make do. Okay. I was like, who's there? Oh, okay, well, I'll do this later. Okay, I'm trying to do this real quick before he gets back because I'm shy. But anyways, we just landed. The country is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, the weather is perfect. I'm so excited. And the hotel, or actually it's a condo, we're having a really good time. So it's about, what time is it? It's like 8:30 now already. We went and did our grocery shopping. We still need to go and eat. We're trying to debate whether or not we wanna get a workout in. Probably not because it's already late. And this man hasn't slept in like over 24 hours. So I don't even know how he's running right now. Sheer adrenaline. So we're probably just gonna get something to eat, maybe stay outside for a little bit and then call it an early night because we have an early excursion tomorrow. Yeah, so far so good. Our connecting flight was a bit delayed, so we ended up arriving here later, but everything still worked out. We really wanted to do a food tour, but the food tour that we had booked was canceled and all the other ones were already fully booked. So, but it's a good thing that we didn't have anything planned because we ended up getting here much later than anticipated. But so far I'm so excited. I'm gonna shower, maybe put on my lashes. I don't know if I want to do lashes because since we're going snorkeling tomorrow, they all might just fall off. But all right, we'll see. But yeah, so far Aruba has not disappointed. I hope you can see me. I have my phone kind of propped on his suitcase as like a makeshift tripod. I don't know. It's a mess. I don't have my camera. I'm using my phone. But I mean, honestly, this phone's expensive. The camera is supposed to be really, really good, so might as well, you know, make use of it. Like, people be shooting like home movies on this, so I think it's fine. But I do miss my camera. I do miss it. But yeah, let's get on with the rest of the night.
Esta falda corta me encanta. Superando todo lo que hacía.
Oh, there it goes.
That's a safety hazard. Like from here, yeah, that one.
Oh, okay.
Spanish and Dutch. Spanish, very close to our local language, which is the Papiamento, but I'll come back to that. English, we watch TV, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, all that good stuff teaches the kids from young. And then in school at the ages 9 and 10, you start getting Spanish and English all the way through high school. All right, so most of the time at the ages of 12, 13. It's really not. Like, do you want to get up and take a picture? I mean, I would have to. Middle sister also has it.
Oh,
So.
okay, so it is our last day here, but the gym here hasn't seen my face at all. So before we leave, I'm gonna go do one last gym sesh. We're supposed to leave in a few hours. I'm gonna get this gym session in, and yeah, we'll be out.